Hey, I found a cool way to get free tokens on Stripchat that actually works, because I personally added over 5,000 tokens in just a few minutes. I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do. First, we go to the generator website. Now we can see that we need to enter our username or email, so I'll enter my username on my test account. As you can see on my Stripchat account, I don't have any tokens at all. Once we enter the username, we click the Connect button. Now we see that we need to choose how many tokens we want to generate. To not overdo it, I entered 5,736 tokens, and then I click Submit. Now we need to wait a moment because the process of adding tokens to the Stripchat account has started. Depending on your internet connection speed, this may take a different amount of time for everyone. After a moment, we see the message, "Your resources have been created successfully." So everything worked perfectly. It's worth reading what they wrote here. That you need to share the page, which I already did, and that this method works 100% on new accounts. We click Continue, and here we have the last step to complete. We need to complete a task to pass the verification. It's very simple and completely free, so don't worry. I'll show you everything. The verification is meant to prevent abuse of the generator and to make sure the tokens go to the correct account. Additionally, the tokens and the entire website are funded by sponsors where you complete the task. All of this is done so everyone can use it for free. The tasks are simple and take between 5 and 20 minutes. We click Verify through Survey, and we can see several tasks available. As you can see, I'll choose installing the Opera browser, but you can choose a different task. It depends on which country you're from. Keep in mind that on Android devices, the verification tasks may be different. I tested this on both Android and iOS, and there are cool tasks like installing TikTok or using an app for 15 minutes. So just choose whatever is most convenient for you. So I click the task where I install the Opera browser. As you can see, the download has started. I'll wait a moment and install it on my computer to successfully complete the verification. To save time, I skip the installation and launch process. By the way, this browser is actually great. Pages load really fast, so I highly recommend it. All right, now let's go to the Stripchat website to see if the tokens were added. I refresh the page, and look, the tokens have been added to my account. See how simple that was? If you liked my tutorial, please leave a like, share it, and feel free to leave a comment. See you next time.